jacket.
In the car.
This one, right?
Mom, can you hold my hand?
Aligo.
Can you hold my hand?
Hindi rin nagwo-work?
Alin?
It's not.
Sa ako ginamit ko ito. Yung nylon niya.
I saw you.
It's not working too? The other one?
Yung sa para-ori sa kanya dito.
Oo.
Walang nylon.
Oh,
Walang ganito.
Can you hold me?
you have to buy it.
Can you hold my
No,
hand?
it's okay.
Go wear it first.
Two is enough. I'm gonna watch them. You feel good eh, kuya. Di man siya. Ha? Tapos, ang pog niya papagamit ko kay Leonard. Yun.
Here.
So you're not going for a.
I'm not going fishing.
What do you mean you're not going fishing?
Mom. I'm giving
So
me
where?
the look.
Where are you gonna swim? On that side? Eh, Daddy, are you done, Han?
Why?
You're still done? Magsiswimming daw siya. Ha?
Wala pa tayong cottage. What mo rin swimming?
Are we gonna use the worms?
This one here. Short.
Did you bring a towel?
Dad, no, Dad, maybe cut it. Good cat.
What did you bring? Why your bag is heavy?
I brought extra clothes. I don't want to swim overnight though.
You don't want to swim?
I don't want to swim overnight.
I want to sleep overnight.
Oh, you want to stay? Overnight here. Huh?
In a cottage or a hotel.
Naks naman.
That's what Mom said.
It's wiggly. You should have a chair. I thought we're going there. Why? What is gross? Napaka-arte mo naman.
Oh, it went. It let go. It let go.
Really?
Like it.
Yeah.
Like it let.
Ay! Don't move yet.
How can I take the picture?
It's really weird.
Because why don't you just sit? Remove your slippers and then sit. Are you sure we're not gonna fall from here?
Ang layo pa rin, naduling ako. I gotta wash my hand. I'm disgusted. I didn't touch this.
Ilan yan? Ilang worms yan? Ilang worms? You! Why is it so fat?
Ah,
Oh, you have to cut it. Oh no.
para matipid.
Oh no. Pag ako nahulog Ay! Ay!
I'm sure you can cut space for this one.
Oh, yung isa.
Ay, ice na yun. Is that it? Yeah, go.
Oh, let's see, kuya. Let's see. Ay,
Ayun!
yun kaagad. Ayun kaagad. There are four of them. There are 5 of them. Oh, yeah.
Very small. Huh?
Yeah, it's very small. Oh, wala na. Gotcha! Yeah! It's too small though. What kind of fish is that?
Why won't she come up? Huh? It won't go? What happened? Stop?
It's too small.
Sige. Weird. Small. I need isang dangkal dapat sa
Dapat dun tayo sa gitna para mas malaki.
Tatanga-tanga ang layo ng bibig mo sa ano, linawan mo mata mo sa sunod ha.
Oh, I think I see one. It's like right there.
Aray ko.
Oh, put your bait then.
Nabubuhay pa kayo kapag inalpakan. Aray na. Ito, dito. Malinam lang talaga itong bula. Galit at kami.
Namatay na yung Dapat doon kayo sa gitna para mas malaking fish.
Testing pa lang. Galing na do.
Yun, ayun.
Niluluwa. Ang dami na oh. We don't want it much.
Manual?
You want me to put you a worm?
Yeah.
Got it. Ito worm. And get the timba there. Maraming mahuhuli ko sila nun.
Ayun na naman, oh. Maliit na naman. Oh, maliit. Ba't na kinakain lang tapos di naman.
Still
Do they look bigger in under the water? Or is just that yung fish line mo is
they
too...
look bigger in the water, but they look smaller.
Smaller in the water and bigger.
Sakit na eh. Putuli ko ba naman tapos.
What?
What?
Like they keep getting the worm, but not the whole thing.
I'm gonna change the hook.
I think it's too big.
I'm gonna change the hook.
I think it's too big.
Huh?
It's too
Kuya
big.
can catch that many times. Give me a hook.
Oh, they ate it.
Got again?
Yeah, they ate it.
Damn, be smart now, man.
I think your hook is just too weak.
Pahawis na. Something with your hook.
Maybe something skinnier.
This one is big. No. No, release.
Maybe just get the worm and make it skinnier.
Do what?
It's the worm.
Yun, dapat yung pagkaka-hook mo ng worm, dapat hindi yung mababaw.
Pag nagpunta tayo sa gitna, use the one,
The
artificial.
oh,
Ano?
kasi malalaki yon. Malalaki yon.
Donut ko yun. Huh? What?
That's a
Oh my God,
dragonfly.
sa tutubi. Oh my God.
Do you know that I catch a dragonfly by my hands when I was young? Yeah, we catch it and then we look at it. We play with it. Ayun.
Ah, Dad!
Okay.
You're the chosen one.
Yeah.
What?
I'm gonna go to heaven.
Chosen.
This is that is the chosen.
Yun sa dragonfly ko doon dinapuan.
Is there something
Kasi
wrong?
mauga yung speedboat pag nagpipishing na kayo. Oh.
need like a lot of patience. Huh?
Mine's
You need a lot of.
Mine's a stick on the bus.
Maulog. Kuya, hawakan.
Hindi naman nagdip-dip naman ang nalaligo. Di ba? Ang hangin yun.
We go in full speed.
Full speed is only 10 minutes. Minutes in the front, natin rin. Okay. Legit. Yun naman, next time yun i-rent natin. Yung plane. 2 hours ang license niya na. 2 hours na. License. Aeroplano.
Wala pa rin ba yun?
I think so. Palagi ka pwede mong i-rent sa sakay ka. No? Magbawa ka ng truck.
Bana alin? Marunong ka ba yan? Marunong ka mag-drive yan?
Really nice thing, right? Camille.
Pinaparantahan din kayo.
Pwede mo rin tahan 30 minutes. Paglampas ka 30 minutes, ilalaglag ka na. Left. You're done.
Walk.
Kaya yan, put your fishing rod like, no, fishing. You know. Doing that.
Ganda. Ganda, no? Nakabikini. Yun ang gusto mong tignan eh.
Basta na ito yeah. May panlawan ba pa nag-fishing siya?
Mm-mm. tuwalya naman.
Naliligo na yung baba na. Pa?
Dapat ganun na ni-rent natin, yung ganun. Para pwede nga mag-stop sa gitna. Pwede ka rin mag-fishing nun. No.
Tsaka yun din magalaw.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mahal nga ako eh. Kailan ba ako nag-speed ko? Kunyari lang ako rin ang alam ko. Yeah, naman. Kaya bas, get the engine. Pag nahulog. Hey, if you lose that one, you in trouble. Go.
Just leave it. Yeah, just leave it inside. Hala. Naghihingalo na, naghihingalo.
Yeah. That's it, right?
There's still no fish? Picture on this side of the resort.
Hey, Mom,
Mm.
there's like two rocks here.
What are you trying to do?